Are you blowing kisses?
Yeah. No,
We're in the sunflower fields and the flower fields. Hi, welcome back to my channel. So, today, oh, that's why my daughter says that. Wait, no, you don't have no clothes on. Wait a second. Wait. So, in this episode, stop. And the lighting and all that, I don't know. I'm a little puffy as well. So, I'm gonna talk about her costumes. So, the first costume is going to be about her skeleton costume that she wore at Hershey Park. And then the second one is going to be her Jason costume that she's going to be wearing at a Halloween party. Here's her costume for today. This is the hand that we got at Spirit Halloween. And then this is the shirt that I was talking about from Children's Place. The shirt from Children's Place, it's glow in the dark. Here's her black brim hat that, you know, she usually wears. And then this is the tutu skirt that she has from Jaine and Jack. Then I figured some black stockings in this because it's going to be a little chilly. But she's probably going to wear her black boots, so you may not even be able to see that. But what I think I'm going to do is, I got this. Hold on, let me unplug my phone. I got this from the dollar store. So I was thinking... I was thinking to take these off and like have them hanging from her skirt, and then like take some of these and put it around the brim of the hat. I think that would be adorable. Then I got these from the dollar store. I don't think I'm gonna have time for this, but I was gonna make a necklace out of these foam skeleton pieces, but we'll see. Give me that toy. Bring your toy over. She will not stop.
Looking for my channel.
Well, come over here so you can try the skirt on so I can measure it. Nah! From the dollar store. Wait. Alright, stand right here.
Can look at the mirror.
Can you look in the mirror? Wait, I gotta make sure how this is about to fit. Hold on. Come close. Well, I guess that's fine. Turn this way so I can see. Wait, I'm not done. Girl. Wait, turn around once. Where's the tag at? I thought so. I thought that was wrong. Okay. Wait.
You gotta pick the bones?
Yeah, let me put the bones on first. Don't move. Wait, I gotta put all 4 on. Wait. She wants to see herself, but I'm trying to finish this. Should I do 2 hands and then 2 feet like this? Or should I do every other one? Yeah, I'll do the feet on the side. Hold on, I got one more. Come here. Alright, let me see. So, I think it looks cute, but I'm afraid of the safety pins, so I might have to sew it.
This is my Halloween costume.
Okay, go back over there and I'll turn it around so you can see yourself.
Look at my skirt. Look at my skirt. My skirt is black.
Yes, it is black.
And then my job is the heart.
Yeah, it's a heart donut. Your pajamas. I think I need to spread them out just a little bit.
Water.
It was, I sewed, you can even see it. I didn't have black thread, so I just sewed each end. And then I sewed the top, and then I safety pinned this part because they were moving a lot. My kids so loud. Say thank you. Oh no, I got it. Thank you so much. Get some candy.
Perfect.
Good job, baby. The only thing is, to dress it up a little bit, I'm going to paint this mask and the red spots for Jason. So let's see how that goes. Okay, I'm in my daughter's kitchen. As you can see, all the drawing on there. So I don't have a permanent marker with me. So I'm probably going to touch it up tomorrow. But just for the sake of this video, because I don't know where I did with my permanent marker. I don't know what I did with my permanent. So I forgot my permanent marker. So I'm going to be using the dry erase marker just for the sake of this video. And I'm just going to draw the marks for Jason. I have a little reference guide. But again, it's not a big deal because it's dry erase. So tomorrow, when I have my permanent marker, it'll look better. But this just to give you guys an idea. Huh? What do you mean? Yeah, this is just to give you an idea, just to dress it up a little bit. Now I gotta do the eyebrow one, the one that goes like this.
What this is it? I say Mr. Tester. The auntie will show me.
You're in the light. You're in the light, Nadia. Can you back up a little bit?
Okay.
Thank you.
Well, I'm in the light.
Yeah.
Well, that's my kitchen.
Yep.
Do you want it?
You're in the light.
Huh?
You're in the light again.
Okay.
I'm almost done. Oh man, because it's dry erase, it's messing it up. Let me try that again.
I'm in the hair.
What?
In the hair.
Okay, hold on.
Is that on
This is
there?
probably gonna have to stay like this for now,
Who's
cause
that on there? Who's that?
so the dry erase is kind of messing it up, but I'll probably show you all the finished product tomorrow.
Wow.
That's the best I'm gonna get for right now.
Yay!
Who is this?
Jason.
Good job.
This is my Jason.
She's so excited. Nadia, are you excited?
Yes, I'm excited.
Yeah, you're ready to be Jason?
Yes.
Okay, so she has on a yes?
This is number.
Yes. Ready, go.
Looking for my channel.
What are we doing today?
Because I was having this like sprinkles.
Sprinkles. All right, so she has on a white tank, her black pants, and her black boots. This is how we're about to dress it up. So if you can remember, I got this at the hand-me-down kids store. This button-up shirt. Put your shirt on. Put your arm in this way.
Ooh,
Put your arm in.
Mom, you got pink.
Okay, put your arm in. It's wrinkled a little, but it doesn't matter. It's a costume for something creepy, so. Ooh, you're already looking like Jason. Then you got to put your mask on, which she already smudged it because, like I said, this is just dry erase marker until I can get the permanent marker tomorrow.
I feel like
Okay, I can't do this with two hands. Good job, my little Jason. And what is this called?
Stick.
No. Starts with an M. Remember? It's your machete. Okay, so to make it a little bit more creepy, I don't know, in the previous vlog, these are from Walmart, so I'm going to stick these in her little ponytails.
On my channel.
Girl. All right, let me put these in your head. Turn around this way. Let's see. Hold on. Am I doing it right?
Mom.
Yes.
That's Jason like that. Mom.
Yeah. There. Ooh, I love that. I love that. That's perfect. But I have one more thing to add to your costume.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yes.
Fake blood. I don't know. Is that too much? I was going to put it on your shirt a little bit. I don't know if that's too much. That might be too much. Do you want blood on your shirt?
Huh?
That might be too much for a kid's party. What do you think? The kids might be scared of you. No, you don't want that?
I do.
You probably don't want it because of this picture, but that's not... I was just going to put a handprint right there.
No.
No?
I can't.
Maybe later?
Maybe later.
I'm going to put a handprint on. I think
Yay!
that'll be... Okay, cool. Cool.
No.
So, it's going to get messy. So, I bought some water, plastic bag.
It will get messy.
Yeah, it's going to get messy. So, let me open this.
Now for the soccer. Now for
We need our paper towels just in case we have an accident. It's too messy. First of all, you're freaking adorable. It's going to get messy?
Yes,
It might. But I got paper towels and water. I've done this before. Let me see if I can... Oh, the camera's moving. Oops. Oops. This doesn't even look red. Don't touch it. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see it.
It's working. Yeah.
Oh, I'm making it spill a little bit. All right. Now, don't move.
Okay.
Don't move. Wait, don't move. Don't move. That's dark. That's not even regular, but it looks cool.
Wipe your hands off.
Wipe my hands off.
Mom, I don't want that.
You don't like that? Okay. It's just a handprint, baby.
I can't.
What kind? Oh, because it's zombie blood. It's dark. Ugh. Funny faces. Let me see your Jason pose. Where's your knife on my phone?